Hi there, and welcome back to another Coffee with Meg. I am your host, Meg, and today I am going to show you how to use Google Calendars to help you with your teaching and being organized and keeping all our crazy schedules organized. So, as always, you're going to kind of hit your, I call it the berries, but the Google app menu, and you're going to find the one that says a calendar and click on it. The other option is always to type it in your URL. Once I'm on my Google Maps, can set this to be some personal settings. So first thing I can do is I can decide what kind of view I want to see. If it's week, a day, monthly, year, a schedule, or 4 days. If I want to show the weekends. Another cool feature is your setting menu, and you can click on this and click on settings. And then once you do that, you can have all these cool different settings that you can look at and decide how you want to personalize your calendar. One of the nice things over here on the left side is a full monthly calendar. So if I like to look at a weekly view, so if I needed to hop around to a different week, I could click on it. I chose this week because this is a week we had vacation, so I'm not posting any private Zoom session numbers. One other cool feature is you can have multiple different calendars. So the first one is my personal one. Then I have my team and my staff, and I have one I set up for conferences, and I have my Google Classroom assignments. So when I post an assignment, it'll post in my calendar and any task I have to make. It also has a master schedule, so any vacations or any master things that are happening at school, they are already uplinked into my calendar. Once I'm there, I can show you up here and they're all color coded too. So one thing is I have holidays. So the 14th is Valentine's Day and the 15th is President's Day. Also, what's cool up here is I do have all my Zoom meetings usually up here so that my students who can see things that are in the color code of the blue or the purple can see all my Zoom meetings and when they are and what times. And so this is another way that they can link into their Zoom meetings, including my office hours are linked here. Another cool way is I have my staff meetings. Another cool feature on here is when I post assignments onto my Google Classroom that you can see the assignments when they are due up here. And I made a fake assignment called Blop so that students can see on the calendar, and I also can see when things are due. Up here would be your create button. And up here, what your create does is you can create different things. You can create an event like my Zoom meeting class. If you're going, and you can set the times. Another cool way to do this is if I'm out of office. So like this is my vacation week. So I could say that I am out from February 14th to the 19th, and it would block it out of office for me. If I wanted to develop a task, say I needed to do report cards, I could schedule myself to finish report cards and put that they're due on the 16th, and that it would be my all day task to remember to turn them in. Or I could say that they're due at, let's say, 11:30 at night. Another cool feature that I find that's really helpful with, especially with parents and things like distance learning, is to create appointment slots. So I can come in here and create appointment slots and say on the 16th between 11:30, and we'll change this date to the 16th, 11:30 to not 12:30 a.m., but let's say 11:30 a.m. We'll just say not 1 a.m. That would be way too early for a conference. Let's say starting at 10:45 a.m. until 4:15 p.m. in increments of 30 minutes. I could save this, and now I could also send a link or an email to my parents, and they can select certain times that they could have their appointments. And that will be the end of this cool Google Classroom with Miss Coffee with Meg. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.